Hello, my name is HD Vo. I am the founder and CEO of InMapz. Thank you for joining us today. And today we want to show you how to use our InMapz indoor maps app to find directions and stores when you are at airports and malls and amusement parks. So the reason I started InMap was because I'm a pretty good driver outdoors and I have a good direction outdoors. But when I am indoors, I usually get lost. I lose my compass, and I travel a lot, so I go to a lot of airports, and I'm always getting lost. So when I started looking for a good solution to help me, I couldn't find any that was acceptable. So that's when I decided to build InMapz. So today we want to show you how to use InMapz app. What I'm showing here is my iPhone, and this is our app. Yeah, it's both on the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. Just go in there and search for InMapz InMapz. Then you should find our app to download. So let's open it up. So when you open up the app, it will show you, the first thing it will show you is the three nearest venues that we have to your current location. And it will also show you some of the venue that you may have already visited recently in terms of the maps. If this is your first time, then you won't see anything in this recent sections. And down here we also show maps for malls, for airports. We've done over 500 malls around the world. We built maps for over the top 200 airports in the world. So if you travel a lot, this is a great tool for you. We have done some resorts, some amusement parks. We have done all the casinos in Las Vegas. So this is another good tool if you will be visiting Vegas. So let's open up a venue and check it out. And you can use this search box here to search for venue. And I'm gonna look at South Coast Plaza, which is one of the top malls in the U.S. I believe it's in the top 3 as far as revenue. So it's in Orange County, California. So let's click on the view button here to see the map. And what you will see is that this mall has 2 buildings and it's connected by a bridge here. So first let's take a look at the top header here to see what these things are. The name of the venue will be shown here. In this case is South Coast Plaza. This button is if you want to change and look at another venue. This is our facilities menu for airports and for restrooms and so on. I will come back to this. And this is showing the floor. So in our case there are 3 floors at this mall, so you can change the floor to this. But the things that we probably want to do the most is let's find a store. So you click on this search shop area and let's look for Louis Vuitton. So as soon as I type, then the list will auto match what I type here. In this case I want to go to this Louis Vuitton on the 2nd floor. There are 2 icons here, info and locate. Info gives you more information about the store. Locate will show you on the map. Let's take a look at locate first. So it's showing, okay, Louis Vuitton is located right here. Now this zoom view is rather small, so we want to zoom in to see more. To do that, you use your thumb and your index finger, and you tap on the screen and you spread your thumb and index finger out to zoom in on the map. So we are zooming in, and there is showing you more detail where the store is located. All right. These 3 icons here, I means you can get more information about that store. This walking figures means that you can get direction to go from this store, and this marker means you can get direction to the store. So let's take a look at I for more info. I'm going to tap on there. And it's showing you the storefront image of Louis Vuitton here. You can get direction to go from here or direction to here. It's showing you more detailed information about the store, like the phone number, the website, their opening hours. This suggests that some user will use to report to us or inform us that, hey, this store location has changed. So we really appreciate those suggest edits, and then we update the maps based on the user submitted edit. So let's say we want to get direction to here. Okay, and let's say I want to go from, I'm standing at a peanut pot, which is actually right here. I can actually select here, or I can type in the name of the store where I'm at. In this case, I'm going to type in a peanut pot. And again, the list will auto match what I type, and I will then select this a peanut pot. So now it's showing me direction how to go from a peanut pot, and I will have to start from here and start walking, right? And I have to cross this bridge here, and I keep on walking to at the other side of the other building, and I follow this path to the Louis Vuitton store. So that's how I get directions. If you are meeting a friend at Louis Vuitton, one of the things you can actually do also is you can click on the share button and share this map to your friend through either you can text message to them, you can send them as a mail or other social apps, or you can even copy the map to your own phone. Right, so this is a great way to share the location. Next thing I want to show you is how to go from one floor to another. So let's say we want to go, so Louis Vuitton is on the second floor, right? But let's say we want to go to there. I'm going to click on this icon here. But I was actually at Sears on the first floor. Okay, so I'm going to select on Sears on first floor. And what you see is now there's actually a menu, a sub menu here to show you that there are two steps. First, you go from Sears to the escalator, and you take the escalator up to the second floor, and then from the second floor to Louis Vuitton. And so, for example, I start here with Sears on the first floor. I walk to the escalator. To view the next step of direction, I just tap on this icon up here, and it shows me, okay, now I'm on the second floor, and I have to keep on walking, and I keep on walking, and I go over here, and that's how I get to Louis Vuitton on the second floor. Right, so this is a multi-step directions. And next thing I want to show you is how to find facilities. For example, we all look for restrooms, and when you go to the facility menu here, it will show you we have restroom, we have ATM machine. If you need handicap assistant and you need an elevator, we show you where those elevators are. And there are other facilities that we show you, even a smoking room, because many of the indoor venue, they don't allow smoking indoor, but they have designated room for smoking. So let's say we want to find where the restrooms are. Go here and tap on that. And the map will show you these are the spots where the restrooms are. When you're inside this mall or this venue, you will see a blue dot of where you're standing, your current position, and then you can then select the restroom that's nearest to where you are. So if I zoom in, yeah, you can see here's a restroom here, right? And you can get direction to that restroom. Let's say I say I want to get direction there, and I'm actually standing at the Lacoste store. Okay, so I say, okay, show me how to get the restroom from Lacoste store. And it's showing me, oh, okay, it's actually pretty close. Here's Lacoste, and I just walk here to get to the restroom. Great. I think that is the main features. The final thing I want to show you is how to search for another venue. And here you just click on change venue, and you can search for another mall. For example, let's say we want to go to the Irvine Spectrum Mall, which is another mall in Southern California, and we can just select Irvine Spectrum and it will show you the maps for Irvine Spectrum. So that's it. I hope this InMapz app will be very useful and helpful for you. We appreciate you taking the time to watch this tutorial video. If you have any feedback, please visit our website at www.inmaps.com, and we have a contact us page. Or if you download our app, you can go to this more menu and you can send us feedback through here. We appreciate your support, and thank you very much. Bye bye.